recall in the press release, and this is borne out by Attorney Malakalintal himself. He was the one who asked to resign because his position is not in line with the palace position. Now, if you doubt that, you'll have to clarify that directly with Attorney Malakalintal, because we're just going by his own statement that he asked to resign. Well, I don't think so. I mean, bakit mas kagalitan? He just expressed his own opinion. And yun nga lang, of course, unfortunately, the opinion was linked to the president.
Yeah.
Now, that's a problem. But now, he has himself volunteered how to resolve that problem, which is to dissociate himself from the president. I mean, so, nagkaroon ng impact sa Palasyo. The palace took steps to address it by saying that is his personal opinion, and then Attorney Makalantal also volunteered his own resignation to further address the problem. So,
He wasn't asked to resign.
no. Again, as far as that's what we know. No. Again, if you want, you can ask Attorney Makalintal himself. No? But I mean, kasi alam namin, he asked permission to resign. No, he asked permission to resign, and that, by the way, is the normal thing with a client. No, here's your client. You don't tell your client, "I'm dropping you." That's kind of, you can check the law book, but that's kind of, I think that's unethical. No, or there may be problems with that. No, you can check the legal ethics. No, normally a lawyer will not drop his client. He may ask somebody else to replace him. No. So anyway, but you can check that. You can check that with the legal professor. No? But as far as we know, he requested permission to resign, and he was granted permission.